That's good.
with some other stuff in it. So I have to order it from Amazon. It has like some other things in there. Because I told them I really don't want any medication.
Right. College. Where you got it yet?
Because I know you told me to try to make these improved.
Yeah.
And so I looked at the back of it, and it don't have the same thing that they said it should be. It's like 3 other chemicals or 3 other things. So hopefully we'll try that and it'll make her feel better because she her head gets approved first at night right before she goes to sleep.
Okay, that would help. Maybe that would help. Yeah. Good job, girls. Can you sit up for me? So you can sit up. Awesome. Sit as straight as you can. All the way up to the ceiling. All the way up here. Good job. Good job. Power's on, girl.